tea and weight loss synonymous. More often, you would see green tea or green tea extracts piled together with other weight loss supplements in the market. The question is green tea really effective when it comes to a person's goal to get rid of excess fats and lose some pounds on the weighing scale? Before even thinking of sipping the famous Japanese brew, take a look at the reasons why you should and why you shouldn't consider the green tea and weight loss combo. There has been a lot of fuss about the benefits of green tea to people who are trying to lose weight. Medical research showed a lot of advantages of the tea and its components. However, like any other weight loss products, it has its own adverse effects on an individual's general health. Let's start weighing the facts by first looking at the good side of the said weight loss supplement and then the hazards at the latter end. Benefits of green tea on metabolism. A powerful antioxidant called catechin polyphenols found in green tea is known to be responsible for many of the benefits of the tea. The antioxidant can stimulate the body's process of burning fuel and releasing calories as heat. Research showed that green tea increases energy expenditure or metabolism boost. At a 24-hour period, it is recorded that metabolic rate is increased to up to 4%. In short, green tea revs up your metabolism and thus decreases your chances of gaining more weight. Benefits of green tea on reducing appetite. If you blame your appetite on your unending or uncontrolled craving for food, then green tea and weight loss may just be what you need. Green tea is known as an appetite suppressant because of its blood sugar regulating capabilities. According to studies, green tea's polyphenols have the ability to depress leptin, a protein that plays a major role in increasing appetite. Benefits of green tea on fat absorption. Green tea has three major components which can promote fat loss. These components are catechins, caffeine, and theanine, which can inhibit gastric and pancreatic lipase, enzymes that digest and stores fat in a form that is healthy for the body. Drinking green tea after a meal can slow the rise of blood sugar and thus prevents fat storage in the body. Benefits of green tea on calorie count. Start counting calories on your morning brew and guess what you will find. Double cream, double sugar, mocha, frappuccino, etc. are causing havoc on your waistline. If you are addicted to a dose of caffeine in the morning but want those calories off your diet, then green tea and weight loss brew is right for you. Health hazards of green tea. The hazard of the intake of green tea lies on its caffeine. Caffeine is harmful especially for people who have heart problems and high blood pressure. But as they say, to every problem there is a solution. Green tea and weight loss can still be an option for people who have health concerns when it comes to taking in caffeine. Decaffeinated green tea, usually that which comes in an extract form, is available in the market too. To know more about green tea, check description link. Like and share this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.